Hello, brother.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm doing fine. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much for asking. So, first of all, could you please tell me where are you calling from?
Oh, yeah, actually, I'm calling from Bangladesh.
Oh, that is great, brother. So, yeah,
Where are
how
you
you?
from?
Actually, I'm from Pakistan.
Which place? Which
Yes,
city?
Umerko city. You heard it, maybe. It's located in Sindh. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
could you please tell me about yourself, first of all?
Oh, yeah, actually, I have recently just finished my graduation, and right now I'm just looking for getting a good job, and I'm also learning for myself and learning for myself English to be a fluent speaker because English is an international language and it is very much essential for anybody to get a good career.
No, that is great, brother. I appreciate. So, yeah, in which city? Could you please tell me about your city name?
My city name is Rajshahi.
Rasahi. Okay, okay, that is
Yeah.
great. Okay, okay. Could you
Did you
please tell me?
heard?
Yeah, yeah,
Did
I
you
heard,
hear? Did
heard
you
little bit.
hear?
Yeah, yeah, I heard little.
Have you done your study or
Okay, yes,
are you
I'm going
studying?
to. Okay, yeah, I'm going to tell you. Actually, I completed intermediate here, my side. Intermediate. Yeah, I'm continue, but only for I'm doing the exam because of yeah, maybe nowadays I thought that in my I have wish that I will be an English teacher. I wish that I would like to be. I wish that I wish I wanted to be YouTuber. YouTuber and English teacher. So that's why only on YouTube. Only on YouTube I will. Yeah, I wanted to be English trainer on my YouTube channel. So that's why I'm doing hard work on here on my side
Oh,
on my YouTube channel.
actually, you only would like to be a teacher in English on
YouTube
only
channel.
YouTube platform.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct. You got it. My point.
You don't want to be a teacher in your real life, in your real profession.
Yeah, maybe it would be maybe, but uh, I'm not more educated now, but I will try. I will try, but actually, I never thought before about that. I will be teacher in a real any school, any type of. But I will always thought that I will be a trainer, English teacher on my YouTube channel because it's possible for me because of where I am right now, and I'm thinking in next 6 months or next 1 year, I will be. Yes, I will be. I would be teacher maybe. So that's why.
Yeah. Who inspired you to be a YouTube teacher?
Could you please repeat again?
Actually, who inspired you to be a teacher at YouTube platform?
Actually, YouTube platform inspired my cousin. My cousin inspired me. His name is Lakkhan Kumar. And by the way, as a teacher, I have always wished on myself that I want to be teacher. I always like in my childhood, I always like English subject. So yeah, that's why. That's why.
That, that sounds good. Actually, you are a student right now, so you have to go ahead for a long time when you will be a teacher because you have to complete it your intermediate and you have to complete it your honors level, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
And master degrees too.
Yes, yes, yes. Brother.
After that, after
Yes, yes.
that, you will be a teacher.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, you're correct. Absolutely, I agree with you. That's good. Really nice to talk with you here today. And yeah, you have good knowledge, and you're doing good, brother. Doing good job, and
Thank you, thank you.
all the best, all of your wishes, and all of your, I mean, whatever you wanted to be in your life. May God give your, may God wish your complete your wishes. Okay, brother. Here's raining. You
Thank
can
you.
see here. The
That's
rain
me.
is.
You wanna go now? You wanna go away right now?
Yes, cause I'm out. I'm in top of the floor right now. So here is the raining.
Oh, okay, 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 no problem. So, I think it's our not last time. It is our first time, so we will talk each and others next time and once more.
Sure,
Okay?
definitely. Okay, wait a minute. I will show you my weather.
No, that's I got it. What you are saying about it, because weather is in our subcontinent country, Indian subcontinent country, all over weather is very very bad for few days. So it's not problem. So if you have any problem to stay here, you may go right now.
No problem. Because yes, yes, completely correct. Yeah, if I have problem any, so I need to go. So yeah, you can see the weather is very good. So that's why first of all, my cell phone is maybe it will
Yeah,
be okay.
you have to save your cell phone right now.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why, brother. That's why. So yes, first of all, thank you very much for here. And it is not our last meeting. I will call you again. Whenever you have
Thank
free
you.
time, you
Thank you.
can call me back.
Anytime you can call me, and I will be talking with you anytime.
That's
Okay?
great, brother. I appreciate. And yeah, inshallah, we will connect again. We can connect
Inshallah.
again.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you so
Have a have a good night. A really nice to talk with you. And take care always. Best wishes.
Have a good
Bye
day.
bye. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.